Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to use dynamic blocks in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, press Ctrl+3 on your keyboard to open the Tool Palettes window. Over here, select the Door dynamic block from the available block options. Then, place the Door dynamic block into your drawing. After that, select the block you just placed. Over here, notice the arrows that appear on the block. Then, use the arrows to flip or rotate the door as needed. After that, click and drag the appropriate arrow to adjust the wall thickness. Over here, modify the wall thickness until it fits your design requirements. Then, click and drag the length adjustment grip on the door block. After that, adjust the door length to match the required size. Over here, continue modifying the dynamic properties until the block fits your design needs perfectly. Then, review the customized dynamic block in your drawing. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.